Dusty Roberts with Luv-A-Rug, and I absolutely love to share reviews to you. And you know, this is not the best review. This is a 4-star review. We kind of dropped the ball a little bit on this one, where we didn't quite get it right to begin with. Let me share the review with you. I brought in our large and dusty Shiraz rug that required minor repairs and a major dusting, as well as 2 smaller kilim. One of them is a fine one, which required repairs. Luv-A-Rug provided reliable and excellent service, starting from contacting us with a quote for the repairs in a timely manner, to follow up through with our timeline as promised, and high quality repairs. We were very happy with the repairs, initially not so happy with the cleaning. When we expressed this to Luv-A-Rug, they provide another cleaning for the Shiraz, as well as pickup and delivery free of charge, which we were very pleased about. They stand behind their promises. We feel that our rugs were well cared for by Luv-A-Rug and professional people at Luv-A-Rug. We are happy with the outcome and definitely recommend them to other Oriental rug owners. Nama S. Cobble Hill, BC. You know, again, I love to say that we're perfect every time, and we're not. We make mistakes. Sometimes we drop the ball a bit, but we're always there to pick up that ball if we ever drop it. That's my promise. I'm Dusty Roberts. I'm the team leader here at Luv-A-Rug. I'm always here to help you get the very most out of your rugs and even re-clean them if we need to. Thank you.